In the new 2026 food pyramid, the food quality matters more than quantity. In our old food pyramids, sabi kasi nila, calorie survival yung iniisip natin. So, calorie survival, you want to prevent hunger. Ayaw natin magutom. So, kain ng kain ng kain. So, you are providing yourself in the old pyramid ng a lot of carbohydrates, eat a lot of cheap energy kasi ang mga rice and grains, affordable siya, mabubusog ka, high in calories. But we did not know about inflammation. We did not know about the blood sugar and chronic disease na matataas. All because we're eating a lot of refined carbohydrates and sugars. So now that we know more about blood sugar and inflammation and chronic diseases, we now know that refined sugars and carbohydrates like white rice, like bread from the supermarket, they do cause blood sugar spikes, they trigger inflammatory responses, and that means more diabetes, more weight gain. That means obesity around the world can be because we were taught to eat a lot of carbs. And that means sa mga arthritis warriors natin, maraming mataba, maraming obese, at sasakit yung joints po. So right now, in the new 2026 food pyramid, the food quality matters more than quantity. Gusto natin ng whole foods, energy-dense foods, hindi pag after kumain ka, busog ka, pero maya-maya gutom ka na naman. No. We want nutrient-dense na hindi ka magugutom ng matagal to the point that we have stable energy, hindi yung parang after kumain, matutulog ka na kasi pagod ka na. Mabilis mapagod, mabilis magutom. Those are the signs of sugary foods causing inflammation and low energy sa system natin. That is why rice is still there because we do need glucose. It was repositioned from top to bottom. Konti na lang yung rice and bread. And remember, we are pairing these with a lot of protein, with a lot of vegetables and meats. The rice and bread is eaten in smaller portions because we want to remove a lot of processed foods and choose whole foods.